if you have to ask a child to leave because they're so disruptive, you say, you know what, go ahead down to 301 and take a breath. And they say, up yours, get up, leave, and slam the door. What do you do then? You bet your life you keep teaching. You got 25 other little bodies that are learning how to manage people by watching you. If you flip out, and for one thing, don't say, what did you say? Because the last thing you want is for them to repeat what they just said in front of an audience. I always used to say to my mother, Mom, you don't want to know what I just said. Truly, trust me on this one, you don't want to know. You just let them go. And you take back the control of that audience and you say, okay, we are back to number 5. You did an amazing job. Let's keep that roll going. And you pull them back because you don't let that kid take over your classroom. And you teach those kids how to respond to behaviors like that just by watching you. But if I stop and I go, what did you say? That's it. And I get the phone or whatever, all the other kids are now going, this is how it's done. This is how it's done. Now, is this hard? Yeah, it's really hard.